Hi, today we will be talking about measures of the spread. Now, these are the notations. So S is for sample standard deviation, S square is for sample variance. This is sigma is for population standard deviation, and sigma square is for population variance. Now, these are two main measures of the spread, the variance and the standard deviation. These two formulas are for the standard deviation. S for the sample standard deviation, sigma is for the population standard deviation. These two formulas are very actually about the same. 1 divided by n minus 1, the other just divided by n. Now, one thing to remember is that the variance is the square of the standard deviation, or the standard deviation is the square roots of the variance. Now let's look at this example. Find the variance of this set. We have 2, 7, 18, 18, 20. First, we need to compute the mean x bar. So we add those 5 numbers divided by 5, we got 13. So 13 is the mean, or the x bar. Next, we need to make a table. X minus x bar and x minus x bar square. X is each data value, so we have to take each number, subtract from the mean. Since we have 5 numbers, we have to do that 5 times. So 2 minus 13, that is negative 11. You square it, you will get 121. 7 minus 13, that is negative 6. Square it, you get 63. 18 minus 13, that is 5. 5 squared is 25. Same thing here. 18 minus 13, that is 5 squared, 25. And lastly, 20 minus 13 is 7. 7 squared give us 49. Next, we need to add the sum of the x minus x bar square. Then we should get 256. Now, let's look at the sample variance formula. We get this by taking the sum of x minus x bar squared and divided by n minus 1. Remember, this is the sample variance. So, we got the sum of the x minus x bar squared of 256 divided by 5 minus 1, which is 4. Then s squared is 64. So our sample variance is 64. Now, the same set of data, but we want to find the standard deviation. So we simply take the square roots of the sample variance. So x squared is 64. Then you take square roots of x squared, that is s, the square roots of 64, we got 8. So the standard deviation is 8.